Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Saks Fifth account password. If you don't have a Saks Fifth Avenue account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Profile. Here, you will see a section for password settings. Under Password Settings is an option for Edit. Click on Edit. Now on the first field, enter your old password. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the third field to confirm. Lastly, click on the Save button. That's how you change your Saks Fifth account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.